Howdy, this is Brian K. Bass Sr.'s Homeless Astronomy, episode 1, 2, 3, episode 3. And I'm your host, Brian K. Bass Sr., Dr. Astronomy. Why is it episode 3, do you ask? Had to clean house. I'll get over saying that after a while, but since we're starting over, I want to make sure everybody knows why I did it. You know Star Wars? It's like Kathleen Kennedy. Okay, so let's get started on this. We just got to wait a little bit for the sky to get a little bit darker. And what I'm going to do is get a quick, easy episode. Since we're starting out with new stuff, we're going to get 6 of the easiest stars to catch right when the sun's going down, so y'all can run out there and see them yourself. So let's get to it. Well, we're getting there. Nice sunset. Okay, sun's almost down. We're almost ready to go. Do you have your equipment? Now, it's great to have a telescope, but you know, a monocular or binoculars works really good too. But the most important thing you're going to need, especially if you're using a star map, is your compass. So do you have your compass? Now let's get started. Like I was saying, I'm going to make this as simple as possible because we're getting started. We'll call it a new season. But episode 3, this is the first one I've done since I switched over to wide angle on this. Easy stuff. Stuff you can go outside and see right now without a telescope. So, let's see what we can find. How about Arcturus? That's going to be in the east. It's going to be the brightest star in the east. You can't miss it. I forgot my compass. Set my compass down somewhere. I'll find it. Well, this is kind of a gimme. 90 degrees, because Polaris is 0. So look 90 degrees to the east, and you will find the star Arcturus. And there we go, at 90 degrees in HD, the star Arcturus. And let's take a look at it in infrared. Not much difference, just out of color. And through the telescope, the star Arcturus at 90 degrees east. Okay, now we're going to turn it completely around, do a 180, look out west, and check out Orion. And in Orion, at the very top, is the red star Betelgeuse at 245 degrees. Alright, now let's move straight out west to the top of Orion. I'll show you. Orion. Yeah, see? Orion. So at the top of Orion, right next to my palm tree, is the star Betelgeuse in infrared. And here at about 245 degrees west is the star Betelgeuse through the telescope. And now we're going to move north. And we're going to find at 0 degrees, because everything revolves around it, Polaris, the North Star. And there, my friends, in the north at 0 degrees, because everything revolves around it, we have Polaris, the North Star. That's in HD. Let's take a look at it in infrared. You can kind of see that star next to it a little bit. But there you go. The North Star. And at 0 degrees in the north, the star Polaris, the North Star, through the telescope. Satellite just crossed Arcturus. Coolo. watching satellites cruise. Wow, guess I need to oil this tripod, huh? Now move to the southwest. And at 243 degrees in the southwest, we're going to find the brightest star in the sky, the star Sirius. Okay, it's getting a little later now, so we got to adjust our time frame. It's about 9:43 p.m. And we're looking at about 243 degrees in the southwest, and that there is the brightest star in the sky, Sirius. Now, let's take a look at it in the infrared. That's in HD. Nothing around it really. Okay, Sirius. And at 243 degrees in the southwest, we have the brightest star in the sky. Through the telescope, the star Sirius. So now let's move on to 330 degrees in the northwest and get the red star, Capella. And at 330 degrees in the northwest, we have the red star Capella. And that's in the HD, so I don't know if you can see the red or not. And there it is in infrared. There you go, friends and neighbors. Capella. And at 330 degrees in the northwest, through my telescope, we have the red star Capella. Okay, everybody, let's move to 130 degrees in the southeast and wrap this up. As I said, 6 stars with the blue star Spica. At 130 degrees in the southeast, we have the blue star Spica. That's in the HD. Take a look at it in infrared. And nothing really around it. Spica. And at 130 degrees in the southeast, we have the blue star Spica through the telescope. That's gonna do it, y'all. I'm tired and I'm a little hungry, and I gotta go process this and get it up so y'all can see. There's the 6 stars, like I promised. All very bright, all very easy to find. Just go find them. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you being an audience, and it gives me great pleasure to be here as your host. I'm Brian K. Bass Sr., Dr. Astronomy, and until tomorrow night, just be yourself.